Feedback from our customers was there was kind of a hole in our portfolio where we needed something that was powerful, yet efficient and lightweight. Based off that feedback, we really kind of designed something that checked all the boxes, but was able to do it efficiently compared to other technologies.
The market problem that we were trying to solve was essentially a product improvement. The 120R is a very powerful pump. It's unique in the marketplace. It was also designed for flexible mounting, flexible porting. The motor was also improved. It's a tool that we can use to move outside of typical applications that customers would associate with GAST.
One of the things that GAST is really excited about with the 120R is it expands our product portfolio into areas that we haven't traditionally played before. The critical thing for GAST is understanding the applications. So we really want to understand the needs of the customer and then design products that meet those requirements.
We do go through a process called the milestone process, where we take a product from market need to concept, to optimization, to product launch. And all along that process, we have a full team of quality engineers, and they assess the product as we move forward to make sure we're hitting all the marks during development.
From an engineering standpoint, the development of the 120R is probably one of the quickest turnarounds that I've seen. It was a very fast project. To be able to get something to work for our customers that quickly was pretty impressive.
My team are the individuals that directly test the units, so they are the hands of the engineer. When we developed the 120R, several of my team members did the performance testing. They ran the units through environmental chamber testing and set the units on endurance. We think about all these things and test all these extremes so we can ensure that everything meets what the customer needs so the customer doesn't have to think about it.
I'm excited about the 120R because it gives us the ability to solve a lot more problems. We can configure that standard pump offering in a number of different ways. Within the 120R, we have the means to configure for flow, for energy efficiency, for sound. No two customer applications are exactly alike, so the ability to configure our offering to match their needs is always advantageous, both for them and for our distribution partners.
So the 120R sound was an issue. It moves air, it moves a high volume of air. It's a good thing. But with some of our dental clients, what some of the offices were doing were basically putting a fiberglass cover over it to muffle the sound. Well, it didn't necessarily make it quiet. It probably refracted more sound than it did absorbing it. We were able, with the sound shield, to eliminate that one extra piece of equipment and to actually affect the sound of the 120R.
We are putting in a modular design to where we can actually stack 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 120Rs together to make higher horsepower systems. The benefit actually is if something does happen to one unit, you still have other units to run the system. So we designed the 120R compressor to be both an integrated solution for a customer's application, but is also supplied as a complete system with dryers, filtration, and closures if the customer so chooses that.
So when we design and build these things, they may just be compressors, but in the background there's always that human element where we consider how to make things better, make it better for our customers and those that are affected around us.
The products we make here at GAST impact lives in several ways, whether it's the dental office, the doctor's office, or even protecting our families across the board. Our goal is to improve lives.